Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we're going to be comparing the iPad 5th generation and the iPad 7th generation. Let's get into the video. First of all, I hope you can see this, but the iPad 7th generation is actually a little bit bigger. I believe this is 10.2 inches, this is 9.7 inches. Both of these iPads are the budget editions of like the iPad in the lineup. So this was released in 2017 and this was released in 2019. Faster name. They both have Touch ID, which is good. They're both updated with the new what's the update? iPad OS, I believe it's called. Yeah, with all the new gestures and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Both of them are really fluid. You know. Mostly because of it's iOS. You know. Yeah, they're both really fluid. And I haven't seen any glitches on them. So now we're gonna test out the speakers. Okay guys, so now we're gonna test out the speaker quality. They're both running the same type of speakers. Let me just see if I can get this to focus. Yeah, so that's the iPad 7th generation, and that's the iPad 5th generation. It's not the quad speakers that you find on the iPad Pro. However, I think they will suffice. So we're just gonna go into the iPad 7th generation speaker quality. Okay, that sounds pretty great to me. And now we're gonna try out the iPad 5th generation. Okay, so both of these are going to sound pretty great, but I believe that the iPad 7th generation might sound a little bit better. Anyways, that's just me. Okay guys, so now we've got the Geekbench scores. So the iPad 7th generation has 3,282 single core score and a 3,570 multi-core score, whilst the iPad 7th generation it has a 2,562 single core and a 4,497 single core, multi-score. But even though that the iPad 7th generation has significantly higher scores than the iPad 5th generation, because of the way that both of them run iOS, both of them they seem very smooth and satisfying, as you can see from the video. So the big question, which one do you get? The iPad 7th generation, I believe, is £319 or £320. However, this is about £250. I believe you should get the iPad 7th generation as it holds the A10 chip. And if you're really on a budget, you should get the iPad 5th generation. You're getting so much more performance with the iPad 7th generation. And the iPad 5th generation, even though it's really smooth, it might not get any software updates in about 2 or 3 years. Both of these are really good options, and if you're getting the iPad 5th generation, you're still gonna get a lot of performance for your money. However, I still believe you should get the iPad 7th generation. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, and yeah, bye guys. Guys. Because I'm trying to record the video.